Okay, so let me show you one cool trick. So you see, I just committed 1 minute ago, but it is not showing my profile picture. So how to do this? So okay, let's go to, so this is our test directory. So I will delete this one. I will use the for git client. Now this is the local change. Now I'll go to all commits. So this is my initial commit. In the initial commit, you see, I have a profile picture. So what I need to do, I need to just copy this one. Now go to repository settings for this repository. On the email, I need to paste the same thing over here, and the name will be same. So okay, close. Now local change, stage, commit. Now if I push my changes, you will see my profile picture in the commit section. You see, this is my email and this is my profile picture.